In 1855, the Santals were suffering from the injustice of the landlords and the British rulers. Two brothers, Sidhu and Kanu Murmu, came forward to save them. 10,000 Santal warriors took up arrows, bows and axes and declared that they would no longer tolerate injustice. The Santal Rebellion, the first tribal mass movement of the subcontinent, began. The British army brutally suppressed the rebellion, but Sidhu Kanu's confidence spread the fire of independence. Their courage is still our pride. Santal Rebellion, an immortal story. A proud history. We pay humble tribute to the sacrifice of Sidhu and Kanu.